Hello. We can receive input from the user by calling the input function. The input function always returns a string value. We can define strings using single or double quotes. To define a multi-line string, we surround our string with triple quotes. Specific parts of a string can be accessed using square brackets. Arithmetic operations. Augmented assignment operators. If statements allow for conditional execution of a statement or group of statements based on the value of an expression. Also make sure to indent the statements or it will give you an error. Comparison operators. Logical operators. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye.